Good evening, students. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm just making this video for the students who want to prepare for competitive exams and for those who teach somewhere else. So let's start. Indian writing in English. First topic, Introduction of Indian English literature. Indian English literature specifically refers to works written in English by Indian writers. English as a language was introduced in India during the British rule. Having learned a colonial language, there were few Indian writers who started writing in English. The first book written by an Indian in English was by Sheikh Dean Mohammed, titled Travels of Dean Mohammed. Mohammed's travel narrative was published in 1793. The first pamphlet written in English by an Indian appeared in 1806. The first play in English, Krishna Mohan Banerjee's The Persecuted, was published in 1831. The first Indian novel in English, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee's Raj Mohan's Wife, appeared in 1864. Raja Ram Mohan Rai was one of the early Indian writers whose works were mostly political in nature. Roy wrote several pamphlets in English espousing the nationalist cause of Indian independence. He also published Brahmanical magazine in English in 1821. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee was another writer credited with writing the first Indian novel in English. His other works in Bengali were also translated into English. After these two writers, the Indian literary scene was dominated by the trio of Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand and R.K. Narayan. According to the critic William Walsh, it was this trio that established the foundation of Indian novel, Walsh states. It is these three writers who defined the area in which the Indian novel was to operate, then established its assumptions. These cast its main themes, freed the first model of its characters, and elaborated its particular logic. Each of them used an essay natural idiom which was unaffected by the opacity of a British inheritance. Their language has been freed of the foggy taste of Britain and transferred to a wholly new setting of brutal heat and brilliant fight. The 1950s was dominated by writers such as Anita Desai, Khushwant Singh, and Arun Jaitley. Anita Desai established herself as an eminent Indian woman writer with novels such as Cry the Peacock 1965, Fire on the Mountain 1977, and Clear Light of the Day 1980 in her hour. Khushwant Singh's Train to Pakistan and Arun Joshi's The Apprentice were other popular books of the period. Indian literature in English took a new turn in the 1980s with the publication of Salman Rushdie's Midnight's Children. Rushdie's novel traced the history of its protagonist Salim Sinais, born on the one of Indian independence. It juxtaposed Salim's personal life with the history of the Indian nation. The distinct narrative style of the novel, the use of magical realism and Indian words in English, gave a new definition to Indian literature. Thank you.